Good morning and welcome. My favorite Physics of the Universe class. Last time in class, we went through real quick how to set up Google Drive and set up Google Documents. There were some people absent. There were some people who didn't quite follow. So I wanted to make a quick video that you guys can watch to make sure that you set these up, because we will be doing a lot of Google Documents in this class. And with these Google Documents, you'll be needing to turn them in to that Google Drive so that I have the ability to grade them. So this is an important part. So the first thing that you guys need to note is that if we look at the physics of the universe, I'm going to have the Google Drive thing right here, and I made this before I made the video, so I'm going to have this video sitting about right here as well. And I'm going to make it to a link to where if you click on this little Google Drive right here, it should bring you to Google Drive. But I forgot to do it. So what I will do, I'll fix that later. What you do need to know, if you just type in drive.google, if you type it right, drive.google.com, that will bring you to the Google Drive class. Now you might have something that looks a little bit different. Of course, I've got a bunch of folders that are specific to me. If you've had other classes that use the Google Drive and Google Documents, you might have folders. Your introduction screen may look like this, where it has all your folders like that, or it may look like this. Either one's fine. But the first thing that you want to do is up here where it says, the first thing you want to check is to make sure that it says Federal Way Public Schools right there. You do not want to log into your own Google site because Federal Way wants you to be using the right tools, and I need to have access to the right tools, okay? So right here where it says new, we have the little plus new. What I want you to do is click that, and I want you to create a new folder. So click this thing that says folder, and I want you to name the class. This class should be named like this: NGSS, National Geoscience Standards, and it's POU, and the POU stands for Physics of the Universe, okay? So hit create, and now what's happened is that you've created a new folder right here that says NGSSPOU. That is your class. If you double click that, well, currently you should not have anything in there. Okay. At this point, if you look up here, it says My Drive. My Drive is your base folder, your root folder where it always starts, right? This is a folder inside of the My Drive. Okay. So this is our class, and this is the one I'm going to need access to. So where you see NGSSPOU, click the little down arrow and hit share. You see right here the little plus guy with a plus next to him, share. And your name should be right here. And up here where it says add people or groups, you should put ALEE. And I've got a few different emails on this account. So find the one that says ALE at p12fwps.org. And it has a little picture of me by a mountain. Click on that and then hit send. And what that's going to do is it's going to send me an email saying that you invited me to this class. All right. Before we go any further, I want you to hit this new again and add another folder to your Physics of the Universe folder called Unit 1. Unit 1, just like that. And then hit create. And what's going to happen is now in our Physics of the Universe folder, we have Unit 1. And if we double click on that, now it's got all three of these. You do not need to share this with me. If you've shared with me the Physics of the Universe folder, everything that's inside of it, I'll be able to see. So that's the first thing, and that's going to be really important because that's going to be the things that I'm going to be grading. The next thing that's going to be important to you is you guys are going to need to know where to save files. So if we look at today is Wednesday the 18th, the day I made this video. You guys were supposed to do a asynchronous assignment where you guys were supposed to watch a short video, open a Google document, and submit that Google document to that folder. All right. So I'm going to click on that asynchronous assignment, and this is the video that you're supposed to watch. And then right here it says Google document. I want you to open this. Now, it's only one question, so you guys had it super easy this week. So you only have one question, but the problem is you're going to go to try to answer that question, and you're not going to be able to type anything on it, and that's because I don't have it shared for you guys to edit. So what you need to do is go over here where it says File, make a copy. And this is what you're going to do is you're going to make a copy for you. So you're going to make a copy of this and double check, make sure you're in the right folder. You can see right here I'm starting this in a different folder. I need to go put it in the folder for my class. All right, so I'm going to go all the way back to where it says My Drive. Click this little right arrow, and I'm going to go down to where it says NGSS POU, Physics of the Universe, Unit 1. Click the little arrow, and then I'm going to select that. Now it's going to save to Unit 1. Where it says Copy of Lee, that's not you. You need to put your name. So you need to put your name right here. So if I was a student, let's say my name was Freddie Mercury, FREDDIE MERCURY. You want to put the name Freddie Mercury. And one thing I forgot to mention in class is you need to put your period number. So if you're in period 2, you're going to put period 2. If you're in period 4, you're going to put period 4. This way, when it comes to my email box, I know where to sort it a little faster, all right? So if you didn't put the 2 or the 4 there, depending on what period you are, then I'll figure it out. It just takes me a little bit longer. But it is important that you have your name so I know who to get credit to it for. Okay, once you have changed your name, make sure you're in the right folder. You can hit OK. And now you're able to answer the question. Now, if you just save it to your folder, I'm going to go to your folder, I'm going to find it, I'm going to grade it from there. The only problem is that if I've got one day, I'm going to grade all these, okay? If you decide to turn it in late, you're going to have to let me know. And the way that you can do that is go up here and share. And so share this document with me to A. Lee. Oh, misspelled. ALEE. And once again, send it to me with a message saying, sorry, Mr. Lee, I was late because my car did something and I was stuck in Cle Elum or something. I don't know. Something, whatever happened in your life and you were late. You need to let me know. I have no idea if you throw something into your folder late. I have no way of knowing. So you're going to have to email me and let me know that you're turning in something late. And then you would hit send. I'm going to discard because I don't need extra emails. Then you get hit send, and it'll tell me that you have turned that assignment in. It'll give me the opportunity to look at it. And that's pretty much it. So now that you guys got that done, hopefully you guys can get week 2's asynchronous assignment turned in. All right? You guys have a fantastic day. Love you guys. Bye.